In this part, in my notebook of mathematics exercise 1.1 question part A, we have to go for evaluate the number. It is very much simple. When we are given a number in which a bracket is there, so we must first solve the bracket. So other number remain as it is, 3 plus 2 is as it is, and 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Now we have to open the bracket first. First we have to solve the bracket, and then we have to open the bracket before we do any other manipulation. So opening the bracket require multiplication. Bracket means multiplication. Multiplication with the sign of the number. We have just 2 before the bracket, so we multiply the number within the bracket to the number outside the bracket. But remember that we have to multiply the sign as well. So first 3 is as it is, plus minus minus, 2 ones are 2. It is really very much simple become. 3 minus 2 is 1. This is the answer. In part B, we have two fraction and they are mixed fraction numbers. So first we convert it into simple fraction. 3 ones are 3 and 1 4. 4 upon 3 divided by 2 twos of 4 and 1 5. 5 upon 2. Now whenever a sign of division between the two fraction numbers, we convert the division number into multiplication, and the number after the division are replaced. Denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. So it is 4 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Now we can cut the two number in numerator and denominator, but there are no number can be cut because 2 other 2 and no other number come in the table of the 2, so we do not cut the number. We just simply multiply the two number. 4 2s are 8 and 3 5s are 15. Remember that denominator is greater than the numerator, so we leave the answer here. If it were 15 upon 8, so we must have to convert the number into mixed fraction. We do it in our next question. In part C, there are three numbers. We have to add two number and divide one number. Remember that whenever a number is to be divided between the sign of division between the two number, we first solve this and then we have to add 3. So 3 is as it is, plus 25 upon 2. Now there is a whole number and other is a fraction number, and we have to add them together. So we have to take LCM, and for which we just write 1 before under the 3. So it means 3 is divided by 1 is 3. So we do not change the intensity of the number. It is 3 as it is. Now how we take LCM? 2 ones are 2, just simply 1 to the 2 and 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Plus is as it is. How many times we have to multiply this 2 to become 2? It is 2. 2 ones are 2 and 1 multiplied by 25. Now 2 3s are 6 plus 125 is a 25 upon 2. So answer would be 6 plus 25 is 31 upon 2. Now in this case denominator is less than numerator, so we have to write the answer in mixed fraction, for which we have to divide 31 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 is remaining, so we shift 1 is here, this one is shift here, that is 11. Now 2 5s are 10, 1 is remaining, so answer would be 15 whole 1 upon 2. Remember that once again, whenever a denominator is less than the numerator, we have to write the answer in mixed fraction. In this case the numerator was less than the denominator, so we leave our answer as it is. Okay, now in part D, there are two numbers in the fraction and we have to add them together, so we just take LCM. 4 7s are 7 4s are 28. So how many times we have to multiply 4 to become 28? 4 7s are 20, then 7 1s are 7 plus 7 4s are 28, so 4 1s are 4. Now it is 7 plus 4 is 11 upon 28. Once again denominator is greater than numerator, so we leave our answer at this point. We do not need to write this number in fraction. Now in our part E, there are the sign of division and the bracket, and we have to add a number as well. So first we have to solve the bracket. 12 plus 8 as it is, division sign as it is, 9 minus 4 is plus 4. Now we have to open the bracket, but there is a sign of division, so we have to write 4 under the 8, so it's become 8 divided by 4. Now further, 12 plus 8 upon 4 mean we can divide it. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it's become 12 plus 2 upon 1 means 12 plus 2 is answer is 14. It is quite easy, and I am sure you must have understood the part 1 of my exercise book 1.1.